Famous rapper Rod Wave was involved in a near-fatal car
Florida Tampa Bay rapper Rod Wave in near-fatal car accident totaling his brand new 2020 C8 Corvette.
I wonder if I could buy this thing. That'd be sick. So Matthews dropped his phone yesterday. Let's see the damage. Oh, it ain't even that bad.
But look, you can't use the numbers on 1, 2, 3. I mean, that's my passwords too.
So how do you can't even get it in?
Nah, and my Safari, my Siri doesn't even work. Look.
Jeez. Boys, we are pulling up to the dealership to pick up our coil bucket. Look at that little Grand Sport right there. That thing's kind of nice. Finally, the time has come to pick up this coil bucket.
And Judah's listening. I don't care. Justin Bieber and
Hey,
Ed
don't expose me. Ed Sheeran, yo, Ed Sheeran's kind of fire, bro. Don't even hate.
Oh my god, bro. I just accidentally fucking clicked it.
Oh my god.
Dude.
iPhone disabled.
For 1 hour.
Matthews breaks his phones like every day.
What's up, buddy? How are
I'm
you?
here for that coil bucket.
Dude, I'm glad you're here. I got all your shit.
Everything.
Well, not everything, but I got your module, your nothing.
My module.
Shit.
What's that?
That's the interior module we're waiting on. Oh!
And we're moving.
We're moving. We're making things happen, finally.
This is good news.
The knuckle came in? No way. Oh my god.
I got you, buddy.
Dude.
We might have to get some beers. I didn't even like drop it or anything. It just literally
You
stopped.
probably dropped it.
I probably dropped it. I was drunk as fuck.
Matthews got really drunk last night and then woke up with his phone broken. I wasn't there. You look like you're still drunk. Does he look like he's still drunk a little bit?
Yeah.
So this is the knuckle.
Let's make sure we got the right
boy.
side for that one piece.
Oh, how did this come in black? And the other one is aluminum. And now I'm gonna have an aluminum on one side and a black on the other side.
We'll spray paint. It's all good.
Got the knuckle, baby. Been waiting for this one. Yo, you know the rule, bro. You gotta do the running start, bro.
No, but
Yeah, you gotta do it.
you know I hit my balls earlier. My balls.
Matthews has, dude, this kid all day has been bitching about his balls. Apparently he sat on them or something. I know your balls are too little to be sitting on them. So we have the sensor for the interior, so now the interior can finally go back together. And then also, we got the knuckle. So that's what we're waiting on. And we got the upper strut mount. You guys, I showed you it earlier. So we're good to go. We're gonna have this thing sit on its own weight, hopefully tonight. I don't see why it wouldn't be on its own weight tonight. So wish us luck. So we made it back to the house. We got our boxes unloaded.
Hold up, we can't start working yet. We gotta bring out.
You gotta get the vibes right, Matthews. We're low. We're kind of on the low budget right now. We don't got the White Claws no more. We couldn't afford them. I guess we could throw this coil bucket on. Look at so here was the original one, and now we got a black one.
Before we get
How
too
many times
before we get too
have we
excited.
did this? We're like, oh, we're about to put it on.
Match it up.
Look, I know it's right because of this. The other ones didn't have this. All right, let's get this thing in there. Oh,
It's good.
Of course.
The frame is not bent, boys.
Both times I went to go put it in, I thought like the frame was effed. Because like, since it wasn't fitting, I was thinking like, oh my God, bro, is something bent? I was stressing myself out for no reason. Bro, what did we do with those bolts, bro? Well, cannot find the 2 bolts for this coil bucket, so let's just work on that side and avoid our problems. Let's put this whole wheel and assembly all together. And by the way, we didn't get our wheels. My guy didn't have them done, so we're gonna have to go get those tomorrow. But you know, we're doing our best. It's like I drop it, the brand new caliper.
That's why the Corvette's not done.
Oh, hell yeah, brother. Hey, when you're not working hard, put the cowboy hat on. Getting pulled over. Jeez. I think I was speeding. My God, dude. This sucks.
Well, I'm Officer Wilson, Cape Coral Police Department Traffic Unit. Reason being pulled over is because you're doing 40 mile an hour in a 30.
Jeez.
In a truck that's gonna take you a country mile to stop if a kid steps off his driveway to go get his ball.
Yeah,
You got
yeah.
your driver's license on you?
I do.
Any reason for the speed? Or?
Honestly, man, I'm trying to get to my buddy's tire shop, which is like right there, and I missed the turn, and I never come down this road. I have no idea what the speed is.
Okay.
And I don't know. I wasn't really paying attention. I like thought it was. I don't know. I messed up.
Yeah.
My bad.
You got your license?
Yeah, I do.
Well, we're out here because we got a bunch of complaints. A lot of people.
I mean, it's a residential road.
Street, but the problem is it's a cross through that people cut from Pine Island Road over to here.
That's literally just what happened. Cause I was on Pine Island, I hit the wrong turn. I was like, crap. Like, I'm never on that road.
Finley, give me a minute,
yeah,
okay?
I apologize, man.
Yep.
Got me going 10 over. Jeez. I never come down this road. Nice cop though. Gotta be honest out here. Let's go! Got the warning, baby. What a great guy, great cop, you know, blue lives matter, baby. Love that guy. We're picking up the tires. I missed the damn turn, went down a road I never go down. Messed up, man. I deserved the ticket. Had me caught red-handed. But now let's go get these tires. Just left my buddy's tire shop. They're closed on Saturdays. Yo, so I got the suspension together on that side. Still gotta button up a couple things, but now we're about to get this side together. This thing's about to be on all fours. Not today because the tire reading, I couldn't pick it up. My guy wasn't there.
Damn, you lied to us.
I know. I went to go pick it up and he wasn't there. Got shafted once again.
Are you gonna take the rotor off before? Or, I mean the disc brake, whatever the fuck
I mean,
this
I
is.
could, but that's kind of a lot of work.
Oh yeah, because you have to take the caliper off.
Yeah, gotta take the caliper off too. I'd rather just muscle it on there if
You're gonna-
possible. Think I've been hitting the gym enough to do that, bro?
No. Julio will give you a hand though, don't worry. Julio got you.
I got the muscles.
Just swole. Oh shit. Shit is heavy, bro.
You got it. You don't got it.
That was really fucking stupid, bro.
I
think I should put that in?
Yeah. What do you mean? Why would you not? I feel like when you fuck up, it's more funnier than when you do it right. Like when people online are always looking mad professional. So like, when you don't look professional, it's different.
I like threw it up like. Certified Chevy technicians.
Certified free.
7 days a week.
Stupid ass song.
Isn't it crazy how trash of a song could go viral? Dude, girls hear that song and they like think like they're invincible until their man freaking
Drops their ass.
drops their ass because they're a freaking thought. Any girl that vibes that song, I do not want to date.
Well, that's every single fucking girl, dude. I'm telling you right now. I've seen it, and it's like.
There's gotta be a girl that goes, that's wrong.
No one wants to see you take off little bolts, Judah. We want to see this thing moving. Come on.
Listen, bro.
No, I'm not listening, dude. I'm not recording you take off hand-me-down little Jimmy Rig bolts.
When you're building a freaking wall, you gotta stack it one brick at a time, alright?
Bro, don't give me some fucking Will Smith, like, fucking quote, because I know you got that from him.
When you're building a wall, you gotta build it brick by brick, Matthews. You think Rome was built in a day? Huh?
I don't know.
You think so?
They didn't record every brick though. They just took the picture at the end. What's up, guys? It's another night at Judah's garage. You know, just doing Judah's garage things. We're just chilling while Judah's dirty.
But why doesn't your hands look like this, huh?
Cause I got one only. Hey, don't touch my face, bitch. We're gonna get pimples, boys.
Time to get the little drill action. Got that thing.
Hammer time.
Oh yeah, money. Alright, next one. Oh shit, I think that was the wrong spot. Just kidding. Drilling my brand new C8 Corvette.
Reduction.
Very traumatic.
2 guys, 1 drill.
Someone commented that?
Yeah. Some facial expression.
I always go, when I'm like really focused, I go like this. Like if you ever see me like this, you know I'm like, I'm dialed in. I'm dialed.
We going downtown tonight.
Alright, so we got that side off, and now we gotta pull this side off, and then that's it for tonight. We're waiting on our tires. I gotta go pick those up from the tire shop, and then we got our module for the interior we gotta put in too, because that finally came in. So we're pulling this rail off. We got that rail off, and now we gotta drill out these spot welds. You know, we're all ready to rip. Give me that little orange thing.
Scalpel?
Scalpel. It's like a procedure out here, ready? Damn, son. Got
Just
it
like
off.
that.
Just like that. Yo. Alright, boys, so we got some solid progress in. Got all the frame taken out. Now we just gotta put the new stuff in, but we're waiting on these frame rails. Now we gotta go pick up these wheels, which is gonna happen tomorrow.
And then I'm drifting this bitch like.
With the no interior.
Yeah, we don't need that shit. Bucket
Yeah,
seats. Y'all seen the videos? We throw the buckets in
Throw
there.
the 5 gallons in there, and we're gonna pull this thing out of the garage finally, and that's gonna happen tomorrow. So, boom. All right, boys. So it's Monday. It's literally 2 days since the last time we worked on the Vet because we went to go put on the tires and the wheels, and my boy that owns this tire shop is not open on the weekends. So we had to wait all the way till Monday. It's Monday morning. We're about to pick up these wheels, go home, and mount them up. So let's get this C8 rolling. Got them loaded up. Time to mount these bad boys up. Let's go. Get this thing rolling, finally. All right, boys, the time has come. We're about to put these wheels on. We're actually waiting on Matthews right now. He's about to pull up. Oh, Max, it's been a while. Look who decided to show up. No shirt.
Little faded. Little faded. Ready to start working.
All right, the final moment. You got that? You gonna scratch the rim? Is this a 2-man job?
I'm professional.
Oh, God.
Already.
I'm professional.
Yeah.
Max is mad scared.
Boom. Wheel mounted. That's a big moment right there. Can't have Matthews do too much work. Now we got a real man putting on this wheel. Dude, this thing looks kind of freaking mean with the wheels on. It's like a Batmobile.
Looks like some Mad Max shit.
Think you can handle it?
I don't know. Let's see. Is he gonna make a ding noise? He went soft to me.
We don't got no brakes. We didn't read them yet. Brakes only slow you down though.
Yeah, I know.
Good job, bro. You're doing a great job. This.
No brakes.
All gas, no brakes,
I
Judah.
say we put it in neutral, push it out. Dude, it has no brakes. I'm gonna wreck. Bro, how are we gonna put it into gear? We got no console. Maybe I can just plug it in real quick. Next episode, we're putting the interior together. Look at this. Got the sensor.
Max, bro. USB
Boom.
connection.
Ooh. Let's just start it up, see what happens. Oh my God.
Battery's dead.
Yeah, you wanna put the jump box on it?
Damn, they got the camera going. Hey, how do I look back there? Let me.
So the e-brake's on, it won't freaking go. All right, guys, so that is a wrap for tonight. We got the suspension on, we got the wheels on, we're getting places. If we had the frame rails, we'd slide those in right now. Next video, we're gonna put the interior in. Once the interior's in, that's gonna feel pretty good because this interior being out, it's giving me anxiety. There's like interior parts everywhere around this garage. We're doing our best out here, you know, with what we got, which we don't got a whole lot, but that's all I have to say. And I'll catch you guys next video. We got some new merch on the way coming soon. And yeah, be on the lookout for that. I guess that's all I have to say. And you know, we're working as fast as we can out here, so give us some time. But Max, what do you got to say?
My friend told me you had someone new. My friend told me you had someone new. My friend told
Yo, is this thing freaking, what is it leaking? Bro, that's...
Julio spilt my shit.
I thought it was leaking something, but it's Matthews' damn Corona. I've never smelt that type of fluid before. It smells